this video, let's review the selfie stick tripod from the brand called Xiaomi, and this is a Bluetooth selfie stick, guys, and at the final part of the video I'll tell whether it is worthable to buy or not for this year. Let's get started. There are many selfie sticks are available in this price range, but the Xiaomi selfie stick is different because of the features and the specifications it comes with. I used this selfie stick to check how much wide will I get if I use it for selfie camera for both photo and video. Here are the samples of it. Left side is the normal photo without Xiaomi selfie stick, and right side is with selfie stick. You can observe how much wide I got in these shots. Not only in photos but also in video also, I got the same good shots by the help of the front facing camera. Here are the samples of it. Now let's talk about the build quality. This Xiaomi selfie stick tripod is made up of with a combination of aluminum alloy, plastic followed by rubber. Mobile mount and tripod legs are made up of with plastic. Bottom of the three legs and middle part of the selfie stick comes with rubber, which is useful for grip. If you extend the selfie stick, the rod is made up of with aluminum alloy, and the build quality here is really good. I didn't see any flex or bends when I apply some pressure to the stick. This one comes with a rechargeable Bluetooth remote controller for to click the photos and also for video recordings. And this one you need to charge with the help of the micro USB cable, and you won't find any micro USB cable in the box. Price cutting. If you long press the camera button, it turns on and a blue light is start blinking until you connect with your mobile phone. If you want to turn off this Bluetooth remote controller, again press the same button for some time, it will turn off. And also this one is attachable or detachable to the Xiaomi selfie stick, which is a nice added touch to it. Mobile holder is rotatable to 360 degrees, but there is no manual locking here. Also, if you want to rotate the neck part of the selfie stick, here also there is no manual locking system, because the problem with this is if you use it for longer periods of time, like some months or years of time, it will start loosening up because it is made up of with plastic. So whether this selfie stick is still worth or not in this year, the answer for this question is yes and maybe not. These features are actually available in different selfie sticks also with low price, but this one is making difference in build quality, a rechargeable Bluetooth remote, and the tripod legs at the bottom, where you need to compromise in any of these features in another branded selfie sticks. By the way, if you want to buy this Xiaomi selfie stick, the link is in description box. If you purchase through the link, I will get some commission, so that it would be really helpful for me to post more gadget review videos like this in future. Thank you so much in advance for clicking the link and purchasing anything from it. These are the playlist of gadget unboxing and review videos. You will get some interesting stuff if you watch those videos. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.